finds her rain. It was a sweltering summer day, and Duckina, a cheerful little duck with a pink hair bow, waddled around her pond. The sun blazed above, and Duckina fanned her feathers, sighing, "Oh, I wish it would rain!" Duckina waddled up to Frogor, who was relaxing on a lily pad. "Frogor," she quacked, "do you know where I can find some rain?" Frogor blinked and said, "Rain? I don't know, but maybe D-Squirrel knows." Duckina found D-Squirrel next to a tall oak tree, munching on an acorn. "D," she asked, "do you know where I can find some rain?" D scratched her head and replied, "I don't know, but why don't you ask Sheldon Turtle?" At the edge of the pond, Duckina found Sheldon sunbathing on a rock. "Sheldon," she quacked, "do you know where I can find some rain?" Sheldon yawned and said, "Maybe Owl can help you." Finally, Duckina waddled to the old oak where Mr. Owl perched. "Mr. Owl," she quacked, "can you help me find some rain?" Mr. Owl blinked wisely and said, "Rain will come when it's time, little Duckina." Duckina waddled back to her pond, feeling a bit sad. "Rain will come when it's time," she murmured, gazing at the sky. "But when will that be?" Suddenly, a cool breeze rustled through the trees. Duckina perked up, feeling the air change. Could it be rain? A single raindrop landed on Duckina's beak. She gasped and looked up at the sky where dark clouds were gathering. The rain came pouring down, refreshing the pond and cooling the air. Duckina danced in the rain, her feathers glistening with water drops. "Thank you, Mr. Owl, for reminding me to be patient," Duckina quacked. Mr. Owl smiled and replied, "Good things come to those who wait, little one." As the rain eased and the stars came out, Duckina snuggled into her nest by the pond. Feeling cool, refreshed, and happy, it had been a perfect day. Thank you for joining Duckina on her adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Sing and Shine Kids for more fun stories, music, and educational adventures. Hit that like button and tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you soon!